We've been so busy waiting for eternity that we forget eternity was supposed to start today. I'm Pastor Caleb, and in our final week of growing in a relationship with God, we're talking about the end of the story. I think a lot of us have quietly reduced following Jesus into just one thing: waiting. We're just enduring life until He comes back. We treat our faith like a boarding pass to get somewhere better, while we treat everything happening right now as just something we just have to get through. But that's not what Jesus invited us into. Here's what changed it for me. The Bible doesn't picture eternity as a spiritual place somewhere up in the clouds. It pictures a recreated, redeemed earth. This world restored. Which means eternity isn't an escape from everything that matters here. It's the completion of it. Longing for the second coming is beautiful, yes. But that longing was never meant to pull us out of today. It was meant to change how we live in it. Because if there's an eternity with God waiting for us, it's natural for us to start living in it today. Loving the person in front of you, showing up for someone with nothing to offer back, living with grace. Every time you do that, you're not just waiting for eternity. You're actually showing people what it actually looks like. Are you tired of treating your faith like a waiting room? Let's bring eternity into today. Type today in the comments if you are ready to show someone what eternity looks like this week. I'm Pastor Caleb. This is my take. See you next time.